Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make these charming earrings with bold red hearts, crystal accents, and a sparkling drop. The perfect mix of elegance and romance. Grab your beads, relax, and let's get creative together. Here I have taken 3 Delica beads 11O. Now tie a couple of knots. And now I am going to go through the 3 beads once again. Take the heart bead, go through it, and pull the tail through the heart bead. We are later going to cut it off. Now pick one Delica 11O and go through the heart bead. Now go through the other Delica bead which was not yet attached to the heart bead. Now both the beads are attached to the heart. Go through the next 2 beads. Now I am going to pick 14 seed beads, 11O Delica. And go through the bead at the top. At this point, you can cut the tail. Now pick 14 seed beads and go through the 3 seed beads at the bottom. Now go through all the beads once again. Now go through this popping out bead and next 2 beads. Now pick one bicone crystal and a 15O. Go through the crystal, skip one Delica and go through the next Delica. like this. Again pick one crystal and one 15-0, and in the same way go through the crystal, skip one delica and go through the next delica. So we are going to repeat this till we have 6 crystals on this side. This is the 7th crystal. Now we have to go through the crystal and the next bead. I am not going to skip any delica over here. Go into the next bead like this. And now we are at the center. Pick one crystal, one 15-0 and one 8-0. We are using this 8-0 for the jump ring. The jump ring is going to go through this 8-0 so that we can hang the ear wire through it. Go through the 15-0 and the crystal, skip the center delica and go through the next delica like this. You can adjust the 8-0. And now we are going to do the same as we have done on this side. Add 7 crystals on the other side. So here we are at the last crystal, the 15th crystal. Go through the 2 delicas. Now go through the popping out delica. Pick this big crystal. You can use any other type of bead also. One 11-0 delica and go through the crystal. And now go through the popping out bead from the other side like this. Pull the bead tight so that the crystal stays in its place. To add one more layer of security, you can go through the beads once again and then secure it with a couple of knots. I would like to go through it once again because I want to secure the 8-0 right at the top. So friends, I have gone through the entire row and now I am finishing it with a couple of knots. Go through a few beads, secure with knots. And now I am going to trim the extra thread. And we are almost done. Just look at it, how gorgeous. Now I am going to put one jump ring through the 8-0 right at the top. And attach the ear wire on the jump ring. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these lovely heart earrings with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beading tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.